pace. She didn't know I watched her there, caught inside a quiet stare. Between the raindrops, she smiled at me like sunshine through a memory, and all the noise just slipped away into a softer kind of day. Between the raindrops, I could see she was where I had to be. We walked along without a sound, puddles shining on the ground. Every step felt light and new, like dreams were coming true. I never thought a rainy sky could make me feel so okay. Between the raindrops, she smiled at me like sunshine through a memory, and all the noise just slipped away into a softer kind of day. Between the raindrops, I could see she was where I had to be. If the clouds should roll again and cover up the blue, I'd still remember when the rain brought me to you. Between the raindrops, hand in hand, we let the moment gently stand. No need for words, no need to speak. We found the thing